Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Fortnite and yeah. So so how you play Fortnite, just go play. Then you can change the duos. I'll do duos if you guys don't mind. Yeah. We might not finish the game in this whole video, but yeah, I'll just be showing you. I haven't learned that much. Guys, I'm not that good, so I only won once. As you can see, I only have a few V-Bucks. V-Bucks. Okay. So, guys, can you give me some tips on how to play Fortnite? Because that would really help. Okay, slow down. Slow fast. Last duo step. There can only be one winner. One duo winner. Stan said. Okay. So, we're going to try to win. And, yeah. So, we're in the waiting room. Yeah, so, I'm going to collect this gun and stuff. Because I want it. Okay. So, let's just have some fun, do some swimming, find some stuff. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay, I just broke that. Oops. Anyways, guys, you guys didn't know there were sharks in this game. So, yeah. So, I want to mark. I'm gonna mark here. Guys, I literally don't even know what this place is called. That's how. Oh, my teammate is actually marking that place for us. Oh yeah, there's a helicopter here. Good. Let's get a chest by going inside here. It probably will get us a chest. So, yeah, let's go. So, yeah. Whoa, my teammate is really aggressive. My teammate is aggressive. In early game, he's already trying to. Is that my teammate or something? Or who is that? Is that someone else? Oh. Run! Guys, I'm so dumb. I didn't know who was my teammate and who isn't. No! Okay, guys, I am the most. Oh, you got 4 seconds, please. Okay. Now you guys can see how much of a noob I am. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, now you guys can see how much of a noob I am. the noobiest person ever. Okay. Alright, let's play again. So, let's see, I'm friends a lot. Oh, no. Okay. Guys, now you see how much the new one now, I guess now, you can see this is going to be tough to win. Now you guys can see I only have 100 V-Bucks. It was only 4 minutes in the video, and I just... Ooh. Good guns. Ooh, yes! Oh, no, do not break that. Who are these people? Who is he? Never mind, let me just start. Oh, okay. Thank you, Puppy Team. He's a teammate. Why was he trying to kill me then? No, she was just telling you like, hi, I'm your teammate. He looks Chinese or Korean? Korean. How do you know? Let's go right to the end of the map because I'm super bad. Okay, let's jump here. Oh, I did not. Oh. I'm just gonna drop here. A helicopter that can claim it's mine. I can tell this is going to be a very tough game. You got bullets on that thing. I can't aim, True. Oh my gosh, this gun's so weak. Oh. Who's behind? Oh. Woo. Oh, we can't attack anything here. Guys, please tell me what you can literally actually attack here. Oh, you can attack this rock. Yeah, you can attack the rock. What are my teammates doing? Okay, let's try building some stairs to the top because, yeah. Behind you. Oh, hi, person! What are you doing? Okay, guys. I hope you guys feel it. Make sure to subscribe and like and put X emojis in the comments. Wait until it's 10 minutes. 3, so guys, 2, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like it. And make sure you turn on all notifications so you never miss one of my videos. So guys, yeah, turn on notifications. Bye guys.